This is the Nomis Labs DigiLex C8 with a SOM Berthiot Pan-Cinor 8mm to 30mm zoom. This has the trigger for shooting with it, which is removable attached. On the rear you can see the indicator which tells you which mode you're shooting in. So if we change the mode, the color will change to indicate that you're shooting a different type of film emulsion or ASA. This shows the eye tube for the zoom, so you can look through the zoom as you frame and use it. This shows the zoom lever that allows you to go from telephoto to wide angle. And the focus is out here. And the f-stop ring is back here. This is an F2.8 lens that can be stopped down to f32. It's a 1958 era piece of glass. It's beautiful looking, but also gives a period look to any videos that are shot with it. If you pull the trigger down, it engages the shutter, which if you're shooting in movie mode will record a movie until you let go, or if you are shooting in still mode, it will shoot stills at approximately 1 frame per second while you're still holding down the button. This shows the mode selector. There's 16 different modes you can set. It changes the color of the LED. The 16 modes include a Kodachrome emulation mode, Tri-X Pan emulation mode, Plus X Pan emulation mode, and still modes that are shooting in color and black and white. There's 3 connectors. This is the power connector. This is the mini HDMI that you can run out to a monitor. So you can use an electronic viewfinder with this camera while shooting, or you can plug it into an HDMI monitor. And then this up here is where you plug in the thumb drive, or if you wish to, you can plug in a keyboard and a mouse for tailoring certain functions of the camera. These are basically there for looks. They're no longer connected to anything since we converted the camera from an analog camera from the late 50s into a digital camera. That is the Nomis Labs DigiLex C8 with the SOM Berthiot Pan-Cinor 8mm to 30mm zoom lens.